What's up, everybody? It's Jamel Gibbs, your family-oriented entrepreneur. What I do is I teach real estate investors how to create time and freedom, helping them get from where they are to where they want to be through proven real estate investing strategies. Listen, the other day I released this video, and in that video I talked about how you can get on other wholesalers' buyers lists, and then once you get on their buyers list, you can kind of see what type of inventory they're putting out. And if you haven't had a chance to watch that video, make sure you watch that video so you can get a clearer understanding of what I'm talking about in this video. Now, before I jump into all the content, what I want you to do, go ahead and hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. And make sure you click the notification bell for more videos just like this. So let's get on with today's content. So what I wanted to address today was a common question that I got in that video that I just pulled up. One of the common questions was, how do I find a buyer's email? And that's not something I actually covered in that video. I'm not sure if I misinterpreted something in that video to where I got so many questions that came in regarding finding a buyer's email. But at any rate, I will cover how to find buyer's email or how to get on buyer's email lists in this video, because I kind of vaguely went over it in that particular video. So I definitely wanted to cover it in this video so that you can have a clearer understanding of how to actually do it. And I'm gonna give you multiple key points. So watch this video until the very end, because I'm gonna give you some good tips on how to actually do it. So the first way to get on a buyer's email list is by simply driving around neighborhoods, just like you would if you were driving for dollars. Drive around these neighborhoods, right? Anywhere in your city, pick a neighborhood, okay? And drive around, and I'm almost willing to guarantee you're gonna find some type of We Buy Houses sign. Call up the We Buy Houses sign, tell them that you're a real estate investor in the area and you wanna get on their buyers list. They're gonna ask you what you're looking for. Just simply tell them, send me what you have, and I'll be able to dictate what I'm interested in or not. So that's just one way to do it. Don't overcomplicate it. Another way to do it is to go to Craigslist. A lot of people don't use Craigslist these days. I'm still notorious for using Craigslist in my real estate business. Go on Craigslist, and all you gotta do is go to the real estate wanted section. Real estate wanted means that somebody's actually looking to purchase real estate. So you're gonna find a lot of the We Buy Houses guys in that section. All you gotta do is go down the list and literally call every single phone number that you can find on Craigslist. Do the same exact thing, same exact approach that you would take if you were calling a sign on the side of the street. All you gotta do is call them up and say, hey, I'm a real estate investor in the area. I'm just calling around, introducing myself to other investors. I would love to be on your buyers list. If you could, add me to your buyers list. Here's my email address, and whatever you have, just send it over to me, and I'll tell you what I'm interested in. That's another way to get an idea of what type of inventory they're putting out. We'll address that in just a moment. A third way to do it is to simply go to Facebook. You can literally go to Facebook right now. And when you go to Facebook, all you gotta do is search in the group section for real estate investing groups or real estate investing in general. Just use the keyword real estate investing or real estate, right? And all of these groups are gonna pop up. Join everybody's group. Don't be selected, join everybody's group. And then just introduce yourself, same exact message in every single group. And then take all of that and get on everybody's buyers list. You're gonna get a ton of leads coming in. And once you start getting these leads in, follow exactly what I told you in that video right here again. I'm gonna pull it up for you again so that you know exactly what to do once you're on their buyers list. And this is a great way to get started in real estate with no money, no credit, no experience, all right? All you gotta do is just be willing to put in a little bit of work. This is easy, this is not hard. Don't overcomplicate it, right? If you just put in a little bit of work, you can have a deal on the contract in under 30 days. But it's up to you to get out there and get it done, right? So again, you can drive around neighborhoods looking for We Buy Houses signs. You can go to Craigslist, you can go on Facebook, and another way to do it is to simply use my Investor Deal Pro software. Now in this software, I provide you with the opportunity to pull seller leads, buyers leads, as well as private lender leads. So if you're looking for people that recently bought a house, and you want to add them to your buyers list, Investor Deal Pro will provide you with that information. So really the initial question that I got from that video, it didn't pertain to what we were talking about in that video, but I at least wanted to provide you with the information on how you can go out there and get on other wholesalers' buyers list. Now, if you're looking for other wholesalers' emails, then go to investordealpro.com. You're gonna be able to get that information through my software. Now, if you want me to do a video on that, on how you can use my software to get out there and start building up your buyers list, find their email, find out what they recently purchased, then do me a favor, leave a comment in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to do a video, on-screen video, so you can actually see how it actually works, and then show you how you can get started with Investor Deal Pro as well. In the meantime, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.